Hi, my YouTube friends. Monica here with my Wild Style. Remember, God loves you. I am getting a little antsy after my surgery on my rotator cuff. And I'm going to get back into cooking. Today I am going to make some creamy cheese enchiladas. So let me show you how to get that done. I got some California dried chilies, and what I did was I ground them into a powder. I also have some cream cheese, some sour cream, a can of green chilies, some chili powder, some flour, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and some cumin. Let's get that started. I am going to make my enchilada sauce. So I have about 5 tablespoons of avocado oil in here. And I am going to add those 4 tablespoons of flour to it. And you want to cook this flour in this oil. Okay. Now I'm going to add my seasonings. I'm going to add my chili powder. And it's gonna get kind of dry, but just keep stirring your items around. What we're trying to do is heat all these seasonings up so we release all those delicious flavors. Smells amazing. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of that California chilies in here. See how it starts to get a little dry. Just be patient so that way you can release all those amazing flavors together. I'm going to add in my garlic powder, my onion powder, my cumin, and now it's going to smoke a little. And that'll only take just long enough for you to get that mixed in. You can do this in any skillet. You don't have to have a cast iron skillet like this. Now I'm going to add in my chicken broth. I am going to push this to the back burner and let it simmer while we get our sour cream, cream cheese, and cheese filling together. I already put my cream cheese in my bowl. I'm going to add that sour cream to it. and the green chilies. And I am going to combine that until it's nice and smooth. And now I'm gonna stir in some cheese. We really like this Fiesta blend. And this is gonna be our enchilada filling. Next, I am going to warm up the tortillas, and I'll show you how I do that. I have a hot pan of oil, and I am just going to heat my tortillas up until it's bubbly. Then I will remove them, drain as much of the oil off of them, and lay it on a paper towel. I don't think you can see that, but I got it in a paper towel. And I will continue cooking these till I get them all nice and done. You just want to heat them enough so that way they're pliable. Let me get that done. So now we're going to fill these enchiladas, and here is that filling mix, and I have 6 tortillas, so I'm gonna divide it in 6 parts. So I kind of have an estimate on how much filling I'm gonna use. The tortillas are pretty dry from me pulling most of that oil off of them. So I am going to put some of this enchilada sauce on the bottom of my pan. I am not going to dip my tortillas in it because it will get quite a bit of enchilada sauce on it while I'm rolling them up in here. Put your filling in there. Roll them up. And I'll do the rest of them just like that. Okay, I ended up with 7 of them. I'm just gonna put the last of my enchilada sauce on these enchiladas. And then I will bake them at 350 until they're hot and bubbly. Usually anywhere from 30 to 40 minutes. In the last 5 minutes, I will put some more cheese on them and cook them until the cheese is melted. I'll bring you back when that's done. Okay guys, I stuck the enchiladas in and it is steaming hot. I put these enchiladas in overnight in the refrigerator because we weren't going to eat them that day. And when I opened it up, the enchilada sauce had gotten so thick that I didn't think that it was going to turn out this way. So I added a whole can of tomato sauce and poured it on top with the cheese. Let me open one of these up for you so you can see what it looks like. Wow, that looks amazing. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have a good rest of the evening and may God bless you. They look amazing. Okay guys, here's those enchiladas and the refried beans and that amazing Mexican rice. So if you want to see all of these recipes, just search my channel for them and you can